where we're healthy, green, and brave. In today's video, I'll show you
what to do about shin splints.
Can't run anymore, my legs hurt too.
Hey baby.
Mom.
Huh.
What are my legs?
I'm a massage therapist. People tell me that I have magic fingers, and this magician will reveal her secrets. It sucks when you get shin splints, and right in the beginning of your season, it cuts into your workouts. You could be out for weeks. So, here's what this massage therapist does about shin splints. We're going to use 2 products on these cute little legs today. Thank you, Dana, for being our legs in the video. We're going to use Comfrey, which is a homemade product, olive oil and dried comfrey leaf. And then we're also going to use lemongrass essential oil. Those 2 things together are very effective at helping shin splints. So we're going to rub this into her calves, back and front, all the way down to her ankles, all the way up past her knees. And once we get that comfrey oil all over, then we'll put on a few drops of lemongrass per leg. Now, herbal medicine is different than over-the-counter and normal prescription medications. You have to put this on several times a day, not just once. But a comprehensive muscle approach is not just putting things on the outside. We also want to help this muscle repair by making it as flexible as it can be. So you can add heat to these legs, which is an excellent idea. I would heat them for 20 minutes. The other thing I really recommend is stretching. And when I say stretching, I don't just mean bouncing up and down for a few seconds. I mean a full 2-minute stretch. So Dana, what I want you to do to stretch your calf is you're going to put your balls of your feet on the end of the bleacher here, and you're going to let your heels dangle off. Yeah, just like that.
Now, about making this comfrey infusion. We're going to pick off the greenest, most tender parts of the plant. We don't need very much, only about a cup of chopped leaves and flowers. Organize your leaves so that you can chop them very finely. Place them into a jar and then pour olive oil over them. The tendon and muscle healing properties of the comfrey will be pulled into the olive oil. You can leave the olive oil in the comfrey now to sit for 6 weeks, shaking it every day. Or if you're in a hurry, then put it in a slow cooker and put it on the lowest setting possible for about 2 hours. You'll know that it's finished when the plant material doesn't look green and vibrant anymore, but dull and cooked. Now we'll strain out the comfrey from the olive oil. I use a handkerchief when I do this because of the little tiny hairs on the comfrey leaves that can be irritating to the skin. Idiot check! The comfrey infusion you just made should be darker than the olive oil you started with. Now your infusion is all done. Make sure you label it.
Yes.
I hope you get lost in a patch of comfrey really soon so that you can keep your athletes doing what they love.